What's the meaning of bon voyage? Bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Bon voyage is a French phrase that is commonly used in English to wish someone a safe and enjoyable journey. It literally translates to good trip and is often used as a farewell expression when someone is about to embark on a journey. The phrase is typically used in a positive and optimistic tone, conveying well wishes for the traveler's upcoming adventure. Overall, saying bon voyage is a polite and thoughtful way to show concern for someone's travels and to express your hope that they have a successful and memorable trip.